So the next thing after we can draw charts and table is to save the data book, the workbook. In this case, or I just go to File and Save, or I can click the Save here and then I save, and then I will browse on this device. So in here, I will save this project, project 3030. Uh, Revenue recognition. Okay, so I have this one version already. I will do it for V2. And then before we press the save button, let us explore the second one, Power BI project, PBIP here instead of PBIX. So this one is important for us when we work with the team, because this project setting is like for each page and each table it will save in one different file, so many people can jump in and then work in different file and without conflict. So this one is very good for us in the first and to collaboration, for collaboration. And the second sense is to just because of this one it's saved to the text file, so you can apply Gen AI Copilot or anything in order to make your um, process faster. Okay, so this is the mode. But I will use this one because it's very simple for us for now, because it only generate one file, and then this file you can send to client already. Eventually you have to save in one file when you send to client or to managers, because if you send too many files, it's very difficult for them to follow also. So this one we will start first, and then I just click save. And then we have the after you save the file, and then you can see the file name is here, and then the time is here also. Okay, so this after saving, and then we will come to the first part of the revenue recognition. So this one is just to show you how to draw charts and table. But if we want to actually do revenue recognition, you need to make it better than this. So I will copy this one over here and then compare like for like the uh, two table. Okay, so this one is the raw revenue. So you can see here, this is the sum of revenue, market by market and by segment, by fiscal period, and then by the revenue. I will right click in here, and then I will measure the first make the first measure. This one is the sale, and then later we change the name, but for now I will name like this. I make it bigger for you to, which is the sum mm, of the column sales in in table B monthly, and then I divide by 183. So this one is just cut it down by 1000. So if you want to, you can just put a sale in thousand like this, and then it will be better for you to read later. And then if I replace this column, so you can compare like for like already. This is the raw revenue. You can see here the sales by USD, and then this one is um, the clean revenue. So now you can have the clean table already. So this is how we do normally do revenue recognition in our work, because it will be easier for you to read the numbers. Click in here to make it thousand group by comma, by comma separator, and then reduce the decimal place into one, and then to clean the type total. So type in here in total, and then you don't need the column total anymore. You need the row total only, and then that's it. So you have the revenue by market, and then you can copy and then replace this one by segment, and then you can have the revenue by segment, and then mm, And then we can have the two tables like this. Okay, so I will I just duplicate this one here. Actually, I need to rename this one first. So rename this one to segment first. I just copy this one here to compare like for like the two, but now we are done already. Then we just remove it. Okay, so this is this will be the first cut of the data, and then I can add more measure in here. So for example, if I want to measure the COGS, I copy the whole thing in here and a new measure on top, and then COGS. I also do the sum of the COGS and then divide by 1000. So if I want to change from revenue to COGS, I just drag it down in here, and then I can change the label. Okay, so you can see the different number now. Okay, so that's the same thing, but then you can see there are two of them as of now. Okay, so we can display two of them. How about we display sale and COGS at the same time? And then you can see this one is not what we are looking for because it's a little bit uh, difficult to read. There's a quick trick for us to check, which is to turn to the format and then value here. And then I have the option to switch the row to the column. And then I can show you the sale and then the full breakdown as well. So you can check line by line against the AFS as well. So this one I will give you the new title, which is earning parameters by segment. So in this case, we have the many parameters, and then in here we have another one, which is by I change this one to by market, and then I update the title to the market, and then we are done. So you can see here, if I want to change the COGS to the minus, you can only need to add the minus fund here, and then everybody become minus in here also. So I want to give the comma separator in here, and I do remove one decimal place in the COGS, and I can do the same thing with the two tables. Okay, so so this is where we can do the proper revenue recognition better than before. Uh, so the last thing I need to do is just to draw the chart also, so we can copy the table and then we draw the chart in the same place in here, and then we can apply the same measure from here to here as well. So let us copy this one from here over this page, and then I want uh, uh, to to rename this one from market to move this one from market to segment, and I want to apply the whole format from here to here. So you can have the like for like view now, but then except for the sorting, and then you can do the sorting by time in here, and then you can do the sorting ascending order in here, and then that's where you have the two chart like for like. This one is on, so if you turn on the total label here, and then you turn on the total label here, you can see the difference. This one is in million and this one is in K, because we divided data in divided the values into 1E3 already, which is 1000 already. Okay, so that's the one for revenue recognition. And then I want to change this one into the TOC, which is the table of content, which is the leading page. And then this one I uh, will change to check number one. And then I will hide the table because this one I will not use anymore. I just use for checking. I want you to deliver to client.